Hello everyone, just want to remind you guys that you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description. You can sign up to get daily signals and essential information about crypto. We also have a VIP section within the group that you can unlock once you sign up for the general group for free. Just click on the Become a VIP member button and you're good to go. Also available in the description box is our exclusive offer that gets you trading Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency with a little extra head start. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade you make on Binance. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. In today's video on Crypto Fox, we'll be considering the predictions of Dogecoin for the long term with the altcoin season that seems to be in progress against the backdrop of Bitcoin. As we go through the video, we'll also be looking at some of Dogecoin's latest news and some chart analysis of Dogecoin's price pattern. If this is your first time here on the channel, please consider subscribing and turning on post notifications to get daily updates whenever we upload new videos. The second richest man in the world is known by many names. The techno king of Tesla, the self-proclaimed Doge father, and the former unofficial CEO of Doge, a role he is starting to take active steps in playing. Over the course of this year, Elon Musk has almost single-handedly turned Dogecoin from a virtual whisper into the colossus that it is today, a frenzy that started a franchise that will continue for years on end. Elon Musk is embarking on a big project to improve Dogecoin transactions and in the future have a solid utility. The Dogecoin bubble is probably going to be the highlight of the year 2021. Last year was known for the pandemic crisis, but this year started as a great year for cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. It probably started as a rush to buy crypto out of the fear of missing out, since it was the crypto that was surging massively at the time. It represents one of the biggest revolutions in the crypto industry and the financial system at large, following directly in the footsteps of Bitcoin. Some have deemed it risky, and despite that, people are buying lots of it to hodl for the long term. Elon Musk does see the positive side to this, and has in his own way contributed to Dogecoin growing to astronomical heights. The backing of whales and outright popularity would soon stop being the primary driving force behind Dogecoin, with the plan Elon Musk is looking to set in motion. It's already gaining universal acceptance by companies in different scopes as a payment option. We might be charged for an epic ride to great fortune in Dogecoin, especially with Elon Musk as the biggest fan. He reportedly embraces Dogecoin because of its energy efficiency, which has led to Tesla dropping Bitcoin as a payment option. There is some behind-the-scenes work in motion to see Dogecoin reduce its transaction fees as an added advantage. This adds an extra boost to the transaction efficiency of Dogecoin. Coinbase is on the verge of adding Dogecoin to their platform. There have been considerable efforts committed to seeing Dogecoin cross the $1 mark. Last month, it was weighed in that if Amazon started accepting Dogecoin, that could be a possibility. A petition was signed and passed around social media. While Dogecoin has been accepted by smaller e-commerce websites such as Newegg, Amazon is another ballgame. It will probably lead Dogecoin to become an acceptable exchange currency. However, that has failed to yield any results for the time being, with the brightest news being Dogecoin used to pay for the SpaceX mission to the moon and the potential Coinbase listing. What's been pointed out as a significant impediment to Dogecoin's growth is its limited utility. This has seen it meet resistance from investors looking at other cryptocurrencies that started as platforms or utility tokens. They consider them to be capable of development as a good store of value. This will no longer be the problem of Dogecoin, with the prospect of SpaceX projects and the prospect of mainstream adoption being a goal for the long term. Its last significant spike was a surge to 71 cents, which preceded a dip that saw it go back down to 37 cents, its lowest in about 2 months. It has, however, grown back up to the 53 cents level, with eyes on the prize as we aim at a return back up to 71 cents. It could probably spiral into another round of FOMO for those who took part in the massive sell-off that led to the last dip. But what can anyone do about that? It's become an unavoidable element of investor interest in the crypto market. The anticipation of a crypto's rise always leads to FOMO. The latest information coming across from several quarters has shown us that buying pressure increases in Dogecoin with the influence mentioned before of Elon Musk and the Coinbase listing. And it goes without saying that with the latest steps being taken by Dogecoin at consolidation, with Elon Musk now openly talking about his plans and expectations for the coin, rapid investor interest is bound to accumulate. Many have missed out on the 12,000% gains that Dogecoin has earned this year. If you had bought $1,000 worth of Dogecoin back in Jan, you'd have about $120,000 now. If spent on Bitcoin, that same amount would have only doubled. If you are to buy Dogecoin right now, ensure that you don't invest money that you would need for immediate use. Any crypto advisor would probably tell you that holding is the way to benefit from the crypto investment. It simply involves banking on the future of the crypto as it stands. It would be much better and safer than considering lumping in your savings in for a short trade bet that Dogecoin or any other crypto would be against the run of common sense. Let's hodl out for a potentially long rally as Dogecoin takes shape to become something it was never intended to be, but definitely will be. That's the long-term goal of the Dogecoin community, and things seem to be working out well so far for Dogecoin after having secured utility as a payment option for the Dallas Mavericks match tickets and merchandise, and also flight tickets with Air Baltic and other things. Its potential as an actual store of value is taking shape, and this would pay out for those who hold out for the long term. But you'd have to hold the crypto to stand a chance. We could also see a limit established for the total Dogecoin to exist. This would give it an excellent infrastructure. And you will want to hold Dogecoin by the time this becomes a reality. This, with all the excitement it derives from social media, could create a synergy that will lead to never-ending rallies in the future. Its short-term and long-term prospects will be excellent to look at on any exchange. The power of social media keeps intensifying, and we've seen what impact it could have. We could see Dogecoin become more than what critics call a flash in the pan. As it stands now, Dogecoin is hovering at around 55 cents, and it's expected first to aim to hit the 65 cents mark, and then make a return to above 71 cents. There is the possibility that it could make the jump directly from the current level if another pump action occurs. This chart shows the trend of Dogecoin reaching towards the resistance line. From this angle, the movement is assumed to be tending to move sideways, but could start building up towards the upward trajectory towards 70 cents. If it loses momentum, it could drop below the support line at 40 cents as the month progresses. The critical support level is pegged at 45 cents, while the necessary resistance is at 70. The current trend continues to attract buyers. There's no real bear sign yet, and based on technical analysis of the daily time frame, we may see that the overall outlook for Dogecoin is bullish. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on this video, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Do you think Dogecoin will break out soon? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget, you can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description and in the pinned comment. While you're here, why don't you check out some of our previous videos on Dogecoin as well? And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.